Tomingly has gone very, very well this year. And in the middle of the year, we passed our 500,000 ounce of production, which is quite a milestone for us, given that when we first started the project, we thought we would have about 360,000 ounces. So it shows the exploration potential and the continued life at Tomingly, without even including San Antonio and Roswell. We've had an excellent year of production. Last financial year, over 60,000 ounces, well on track in the current financial year for exactly the same or more. And we've kept our costs under control. The team there is performing very well. In addition to that, the exploration to the south has shown even further mineralisation at places like Maclean's, which I like to think could extend the life even further than we've already articulated with San Antonio and Roswell. And finally, in addition to that, our approvals for the whole expansion project down to San Antonio Roswell have gone really well. I'm really hoping we'll get that approval before Christmas. I'm shooting this video just a few days before Christmas, and if not, certainly very early in the new year. The exploration drive has nearly reached Roswell already, and we're setting up a second ventilation rise. So progress is certainly continuing on San Antonio Roswell. So it's been an excellent year at Tomingly. At Boda, we released our initial resource, the Boda resource of over 10 million equivalent ounces, gold and copper, which is a fantastic result and certainly flags as we're hoping that this could be a tier 1 project. We've done a lot of drilling. The RC drill out at Kaiser is complete, and we're now compiling that resource, which we hope to have out early in calendar 2023. And we currently have drills down at Boda 2 as well. So quite an exciting year coming up, and certainly a milestone for us in releasing that initial resource. Key value drivers for the Northern Malon Porphyry project and the Boda prospect within it are 3 main areas. Firstly, there's the initial resource at Kaiser, which we expect to come out in Q1 of calendar 23. Secondly, it's the upgrade of the entire Boda resource, which we expect will extend from Corridor all the way down to Boda 2-3, where we're currently drilling. We expect that will be later in calendar 2023. Those two combined should see a significant increase beyond the 10.1 equivalent ounces that we already have, and I think further demonstrate the value and tier 1 potential. On top of that, we're looking for further extensions to the system, already drilling those at Connigan, Drill Creek, Murga, and particularly also down at Boda 3. Each of those, if it shows a repeat structure similar to Boda, Kaiser, and other parts of the prospect, we believe could significantly add the value to the Northern Malon Porphyry project. So all of those things combined, each one significant in its own, but when we combine all those together, we're really hoping for something exciting through the calendar year. We certainly do hope to have the Tomingly project approved the next couple of days, as I'm shooting this video just before Christmas, and if not then, throughout January, as the Department of Planning and Environment in New South Wales returns to its offices. It's a significant project for us, and the main reason is because we'll be both extending the life and increasing the production rate at Tomingly. The development drive is nearly already at Roswell, where we are then setting up drill platforms to do our initial grade control. So we hope, with approval, to be mining before calendar 2023 from within Roswell. So what will then happen is we'll start to see the higher grade from Roswell feed into the existing mill as we slightly increase its throughput. And we expect to ramp up through 80,000 ounces to reach the 100,000 ounce run rate in 2025. So that is what the next few years should hold. And then we should see us maintaining that run rate, particularly if we replenish resources at Roswell Underground through into the early 2030s and, of course, hopefully beyond. I hope that you can understand the things that we've achieved this year and where we're looking to head next year, where by the end of next year, we should have Tomingly approved and Roswell Underground performing. And we should also have a very large resource at Boda. But I wish you all the very best. It's been a difficult year as we've continued to see the broader gold market sold down. And so I hope to see, as do all of you, fellow shareholders, some degree of recovery in our share price and gold price improvement in the coming year. But we'll get on with getting the fundamentals of stable and reliable production at low cost and expanding the resource at Boda, as well as, of course, other exploration activities throughout our tenement package. Wishing all a safe holiday period and look forward to giving you updates early in the new year.